Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature some more DIY project ideas and my reaction to them. So first up, we start off with this really cool chandelier design. Now I'm not sure what this material is that they used for that, but they are using the yarn and creating like that macrame technique. And I really like this color combination that they used. And then they are looping the other pieces down. They're kind of creating just like the tassel effect for that, or just looping it around and then going in with the yellow. Now if you were to do this and put this in your home, it would definitely be like a statement piece, especially if you're using like this color scheme. But if you wanted to, you could do this in more like a neutral color, like just, I think it would look really pretty if you did like white and like tan, that would be cute. Or if you did like all ivory or all white, that would be nice as well. And I really like how they layered the yarn. That is so pretty. Very cool project. I think that would even look pretty in like pink. So next up, it looks like we have someone making like a cutting board maybe. So they're using kristen to do that. And I do apologize if I pronounce the name wrong. But I like the color scheme for this: purple, white, black. And then of course they put the gold on the side around the perimeter. So pretty. And that's like a huge trend right now. We're seeing a lot of cutting boards like that and table trays. And then here we have an extravagant planter DIY. So they're using pieces of wood for this. I feel like this project would look like really cool if it was like outdoors and it was just like hanging on the porch. Wow, so cool. Oh, so they used one side or one shelf for like the planter and the other for like various items. That is a really cool idea. Alright, so here we have a glass vase, candle holder, some gold. So they're using like the gold foiling technique for this. Oh, wow. So pretty. And this is actually a really simple DIY project if you think about it, because you're basically just stacking the glasses. Really cool idea. I like version 1 versus version 2. And then we have a bowl and some kind of measuring cup. So they are gluing the items together and doing that like pedestal bowl trick. Adding the stone paint. Why do I feel like these would make for like really cool candle holders? Oh, I like the other version too. Very nice. And then we have a lantern. Looks like they're spray painting it gold. Nice, simple upcycle DIY. And then we have a wall art hack. So they're basically making like their own border. Oh, they used a shower curtain. Wow, such a cool idea. And then added some gold foil pieces. Wow, that is crazy. So cool. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed these DIY reactions. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.